that's the closest I've been able to get it. Like I don't use any of the stock presets, but the closest I've been able to get, um, the closest I've been able to get to that sound is this. And I didn't create this from the stock presets or anything. So like, actually, did I create these online? I think I might have did these while I was online during the live stream, but compared to the future impact. So, just two different. This is that is spot on to the record. Well, using a computer versus a pedal, I mean, what are you trying to do exactly?